Congratulations on this remarkable achievement. To our graduates and completers, may this moment serve as both a celebration of how far you've come and inspiration for greater successes that lie ahead.
Ang pagtatapos nito ay hindi po nangangahulugan na natapos na yung pag-aaral ng ating mga anak. Ang learning ay hindi po natatapos. Ang tanging goal po natin, ang ating hangarin, ay magkaroon po ng successful na future ang ating mga anak.
Today is a very special day for us because we are graduating from kindergarten.
Today is a special day for all of us as we celebrate our success and hard work. Today is indeed a special day full of gratitude and hope. Gratitude to all our teachers and administrators for the diligence they put in. Dedication truly pays off. Each of us has unique story of struggle and success, and today we are celebrating them.
Itong graduation na ito pong moving up ay hindi po ibig sabihin nagtapos na po sa pag-aaral ang pag-improve ang ating mga anak. So ito po ay pasimula pa lang ng mas mataas pa o mas mahaba pang pag-aaral.
I present to you the graduates of batch 2026.
Based on the presentation of our principal, I hereby certify this 31st day of March 2026.
Prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby confirm your promotion. You may now receive your certificates. Congratulations.
Maganda po na ang ating mga anak ay hindi lang po sila magagaling, matatalino. Magkatuwang po ang tahanan at ang paaralan upang ang ating mga anak, ang aming mga estudyante at mga anak ay magkaroon po ng successful na buhay.
Here we go, nothing in our way. The world is ours today, and
We are happy and proud because we learned many things like reading, counting, making new friends.
I am honored and thankful to stand here as one of the outstanding students. The only goal is to give back to the school the generosity that I received. We are truly blessed to be here and celebrate the success of every student of Paulette College. There are moments of failures, pressure, and doubt, but those moments shape us into who we are today.
hold on tight, fly away into the open sky, wonder in our eyes. Yeah, we're living the good life. Drive all night, wide awake into the morning light, wonder in our eyes. Yeah, we're living the good life.
Isa sa mga motto ng ating paaralan ay nakalita po dito, no, yung confidence and character. Kasama po doon sa vision and mission ng school ay yung pagkakaroon po nila ng mabuting katangian. Yung ating mga anak ay kikilalanin sa kanilang talino, sa husay. Then kami naman sa school, sinigap po namin na maging mabuting guro sa kanila. Maturuan din sila ng mabuting asal.
as I dream
When I grow up, I want to be policeman.
to life.
When I grow up, I want to be a businessman.
Hold on tight, fly away to the open sky, wonder in our eyes. Yeah, we're living a good life. Drive all night, wide awake into the morning light, wonder in our eyes. Yeah, we're living a good life.
Sa lahat po ng nag-graduate, mag-moving up, mabibigyan ng recognition, recognize your parents. At sabihin niyo sa kanila, Ma, Pa, Lola, Tito, sino mo sila, sabihin sa kanila, thank you and I love you.
We promise to study hard and follow our dreams. Congratulations to all of us. Thank you and God bless.
This achievement is not mine alone. It is the result of the guidance of our teachers, the love and support of our parents, the knowledge that we gained, the skill that we don't really use, and the right attitudes that we possess are the true basis of success. It marks not just the end of our journey in junior high school, but the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. The future may be uncertain, but we are built with the knowledge, skills, and values to face everything. Let's carry the lessons we have learned and continue to dream big and never stop striving for excellence. To my fellow graduates and completers, this is not the end because it is only the beginning.
Once again, congratulations, class of 2026.